If you're into smart home tech, robot vacuums, and leveling up your cleaning game with the latest gadgets, you're in the right place. Today, we're re-diving into one of the most luxurious robot vacuums on the market right now, the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni. Is this the ultimate robot vacuum and mop combo? Or is it just an expensive hype machine? Stick around, because we're breaking down the features, real-world performance, the pros, the cons, and whether or not it's worth your money. First up, let's talk about what makes the Deebot X1 Omni stand out. This thing is not your average RoboVac. It comes with a massive Omni Station that does it all. We're talking auto dustbin emptying, mop pad cleaning and drying, water tank refilling, and charging, all in one shot. It is honestly one of the most comprehensive dock stations I've seen on a consumer robot vacuum. Under the hood, this beast packs a serious punch. 5,000 PA of suction power. That's one of the highest in the market right now. Whether it's cereal on hardwood or fine dust on carpets, this robot means business. The mopping system uses Ecovacs' Ozmo Turbo 2.0 tech. Dual rotating mop pads that are supposed to scrub, not just drag a wet cloth behind it. More on that in a second. It's got LiDAR sensors, 3D mapping, and even a front-facing camera for obstacle detection. And you can control everything hands-free using their custom Yiko voice assistant, or of course, through the Ecovacs mobile app. All right, let's get into the real-world test results. Vacuuming, top tier. The Deebot X1 Omni has no trouble picking up dust, hair, cereal, even embedded dirt in carpets. And it smartly boosts suction when it detects carpet, which is a nice touch. Now, about that mopping system. It's good on paper, but in my tests, it really struggled with dried-on stains, even at maximum water flow. It'll handle light dirt or fresh spills just fine, but don't expect it to replace a manual mop. Navigation is impressive. It maps out rooms quickly, avoids walls and furniture, and it can still get tripped up by small objects like cables and socks. So, you'll still need to tidy up a bit before you let it loose. The Ecovacs app is super intuitive. You can set schedules, label rooms, draw virtual no-go zones, and even monitor it in real time. Honestly, it's one of the better apps out there for robot vacuums. So let's break it down. Pros. Powerful suction. Seriously, this thing is a beast. Omni Station. Total hands-free maintenance, smart navigation. Solid mapping and coverage. User-friendly app with tons of features. Voice control with Yiko. Not perfect, but cool. Cons. Mopping is just average. Struggles with stubborn grime. The dock is huge. Not ideal for small spaces. Expensive. This is definitely a premium buy. Occasional obstacle fails, especially with small items. So, should you buy the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni? If you want the best vacuuming performance, a truly hands-free experience, and you don't mind the price tag or the size, this is a killer choice. It's sleek, powerful, and really smart. But if mopping is a deal-breaker, or if you're on a tighter budget, you might want to check out competitors like the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra, which offers more reliable mopping performance. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our future smart home deep dives. And let me know in the comments, are you Team Deebot or Team Roborock? Or maybe you've got your eye on something else?